Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to download free ringtones on your iPhone 3G, 3GS, 4, and 4S. Now the best feature about this application is it gives you the ability to download ringtones directly into your ringtone library. Now for the first step in this tutorial, you'll want to locate the Cydia application on your iPhone, open it up, and press the search tab in the bottom right corner. In the next step, you will begin typing in UnlimTones in the search field. Once UnlimTones shows up in the search results, select it, click Install and Confirm in the top right. After it finishes installing, it will ask you to respring your iPhone. After respringing your iPhone, open the app and you will notice there are different categories to download ringtones from. In this tutorial, I'll be downloading one of the latest ringtones. When you find a ringtone that you like, select Add to My Ringtones. From there, it will be stored directly in the ringtone library under the Settings application, as normally. Now there's even an option to create a ringtone using the music that's already synced on your iPhone. It will allow you to make a 30-second clip and use it as a ringtone. This will be stored in the settings as well.